Good day. Have a blessed day, my prospective employer. I'm Mary Garcia, 43 years old. I'm married. I have 3 kids. I belong to the very poor family. That's why I want to go Hong Kong to support the financial needs of my family. About my work experience, I've been working 26 years as a housemaid. That was last January 1987 to February 2013. Under my employer, Mr. William Berson, a Filipino family. My previous employment, I did washing and ironing clothes, cooking, cleaning, and taking care of children. So, to my prospective employer, thank you in advance by choosing me as one of your housemaid. I promise to you that I'm responsible, patient, honest, and I'm systematic in my work. God bless you and your family. Thank you.
Okay, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I am Mary Garcia, 42 years old. I am married. I have 3 kids.
What makes you decided to go in Hong Kong?
Ma'am, I decided to go Hong Kong because to support the financial needs of my family.
Okay, so can you tell us about your working experience?
My working experience, ma'am, sir, I did washing, cleaning house, ironing clothes, and taking care of children.
Okay, so what is your specialist skills?
Ma'am, sir, my special skill, cooking and taking care of children.
Okay, do you have any message to your future employer?
To my prospective employer, thank you in advance by choosing me as one of your housemaid. I promise to you that I'm responsible, honest, patient, and I'm systematic in my work. Thank you.
Okay.